Good morning. So we got some snow and I drug this sweet Honda snowblower out of the barn, and like a dummy, I didn't put any effort into making sure this thing would start when it was nice and sunny and 60 degrees outside. So here we are. It's freezing cold. We got some snow. I want to do some snow blowing. So we're going to try to start this for the first time this season and see what happens. It's a Honda, but when I bought it, the motor was no good. And I put this, what I call Chinese Honda on here. It's a Predator engine from Harbor Freight. And it's a near identical clone of an actual Honda. So hopefully, I turned it off by shutting the gas off, letting it run till I ran out of gas, which is likely. I see the switch is left in the on position. So most likely, the last time I used this last year, I turned the gas off and ran the carburetor dry. That'll help us a lot today. I guess we can see if there's gas in it. Got last year's gas in it. Yeah, it's not empty. Can't really smell. So, pull the throttle, chug gas. Oh, it's definitely on. Let's see. That was full throttle. Start is, my bad. Start is that way. Had the choke the wrong way. Let's see. Crazy. That's unbelievable.